Hello. Today I'm going to talk about how to install an X11 client and SSH into Shaheen with X11 forwarding. For a Mac OS, you need to install an X11 client, and for that, Xcords it's a good tool. If you have admin privileges on your machine, you can download the Xcords DMG file and install it on your machine. Once installed, you can search for Xcords and start the server. This can be seen as the icon active here and an Xterm window opening. You can use this terminal to SSH into Shaheen, or you can use the MacOSx native terminal to do the same. For SSH, you need an additional argument of -y for macOS, and then your username and Shaheen's login node's hostname. This will ask for your password and the one-time password that you can retrieve from your one-time password authenticator installed on your mobile phone. We are in Shaheen now, and we can now test whether X11 window can open or not. For this, I'm going to open a graphic editor called gedit. Here we go. The graphic editor has opened in a new window, and that means our X11 forwarding was successful. Thanks for listening.